This extra hot weather isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And yes, while the last couple of days have been at least better than what we saw earlier in the week, things could actually start climbing towards some temperatures in the mid 100s again, as opposed to the lower 100s. High pressure, again, it's kind of sticking around. It's been anchored over the desert southwest for the past little while, and it might continue to move generally in that direction over the next few days. But even by Wednesday, we're still looking at, I think Wednesday could be the hottest day of next week, with temperatures topping out around 106. Now, if we get this high to move far enough west, maybe that'll help sneak some rain chances in around this high pressure. But as of right now, it looks like, at least on my 10-day forecast, I'm keeping it completely dry for all 10 days. Now, because things will be getting a little warmer tomorrow, we'll be back into that heat advisory territory for some of us. This takes into effect tomorrow and Monday for these orange shaded counties. So generally the northern half of our viewing area. The purple does not affect us. That's an excessive heat warning, but that's just for the Dallas-Fort Worth area for now. So heat advisory through Sunday and Monday. Temperatures will be about 103 to 104, partly cloudy each afternoon, winds out of the south, and everything's getting a little bit hotter. By Tuesday, we're looking at temperatures of 105. And as for the heat index, well, there will still be some humidity, not an overwhelming amount, but enough to add maybe a real feel of about 105 to 109 through at least the next 4 days. I imagine that could be the case through much of the week ahead. Now, as I mentioned, Wednesday, we're looking at temperatures probably the hottest of the week for Central Texas. That means about 106, 104 for the Brazos Valley. And then things will attempt to cool off a little bit, only by a couple degrees. We're still talking about the low 100s going into next week, or at least the end of next week into next weekend. And still nothing here that says we will be below 100, at least for the next 10 days. And also, there is still an absence of rain across this forecast.